There you go. There's your walk. Right, right, right. Good, there. Now take it back a little bit. That's, no. Hold him there. Now right forward again. Keep the dialogue. There you go. Do not make him any deeper. Alright? Actually, take him up a little bit. Yes, yes. Do not go ahead and pick up trot.
From this position?
Yes. Maybe shorten your reins. Remember, you have your working trot. He is not, he doesn't try to run out, then you ask him to go more forward. You have to come to the point that we're getting a little better trot work. Yes, slow down when he is running. But if he can get off his face, then you ask him to go a bit more forward. Right? Now, keep your hands down. Ask for a little more bending. This is much better. There you go. There you go. A little more bending there. Yes, yes. If he starts to run, bring him back. And he has to wait for you when you start asking him to move more forward. You know, make a circle, Karen. Make a circle. Keep that thing round. Yes. Slow down again. Yes. Yes. Ask for more bending. Easy. There you go. Slow down again. Slow down again. Right. Right. There. There. You have the right tempo that when you get off his face and he's not moving more forward. And you're very careful with your legs. Don't close your legs when you bring him back. Then he goes against your hand anyhow. You may want to just use your seat by regulating the tempo. Very, very little leg. Right, right. And then light. Don't get him any deeper. Do not. You know that if he goes too deep, then he is avoiding the half heart by tucking in. He does the same thing as Juniper.
Yep.
Right? There you go. Get him up a little more. Right, right. And just, okay, and go back to walk. Go back to walk. Right. So now ask for more neck bending. Shorten your inside vein. Slow down.
More what?
Neck bending.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. Yes. What? Don't overdo it. All right, now go ahead and pick up trot and do the same thing. Get him up. Get him up. Don't get him any deeper. Yes. Now go ahead and pick up trot. Keep your hands down. Keep your hands down. There you go. There you go. Yes. Don't lean too far back. Right. Right. Better. Yes. Yes. Now we're talking. Yes. Up. Up and light. Up and light. Up and light. Right. Right. Keep your hands down. Keep your hands down. No, and don't hang on him. Up and light, up and light. Yes, yes. There you go. Right, now go and tiring. If he starts to hurry, bring him back to walk. Yes, or nearly walk. Don't lean too far back. Right, and walk again. Very little leg, just your seat, and trot again. Couple of transition. Walk, trot, trot, walk. Yes. Yes. There you go. Right, right. Oh. So now go on to the diagonal and do a leg unit. Hands down, hands down, hands down, hands down. Up, 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 up. Up, little eyes, and there. Up. There you go. Slow down, slow down. Yes, yes. Slow down and light, slow down and light. Left, there you go. Slow down. Yes, yes. There you good, 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 good. Now do the same thing to the other side. Up, up, up again. Nose up, there. Don't overbend. Light them. Bring them up in light. And naked. Yes. There you go. Right. And try again.
Yeah.
Down with your hands. Down with your hands. Diagonally.
Lengthen.
Naked. Down with your hands. Down with your hands. Up and light. Up and light. Down with your hands. There you go. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. There you go. Keep them parallel. Right vein, there. Good correction, good correction. There you go. Right. Tempo is okay like this. Let's go straight and do a couple of traditions again. Walk, trot, trot, walk. Yes. Light, no, walk. And there you go. Light. And walk. Yes. And walk. Yes, and trot right away. Maybe 1 or 2 strides and walk. This transition what makes it. And ask for the bending before you get into the corners. Forehead. Think labial. Yes. And walk again. Don't let. That was a little too late. Yeah, when he starts to. Right. There you go.
I don't have the reader,
Yes.
it gets icy.
Yes.
But I was here. It was great being here. Then after
Yes.
that,
Yes. There you go. And then carefully you ask for a little bit more forward. As soon as you lose them, bring them back. Up again. Yes. Well, where's the bending in the corners? Down with your hands. Yes. Right. Yes. Good. Develop the shoulder in on the long side. Up again. Down with your hands. Right. That's enough. No, that's not a shoulder in, that's a leg yielding. Just think bending. He's straight like a 2x4. No, go back to the rail. Ask for neck bending. Don't just take the forehand in.
You mean for the shoulder and don't just take the fork in?
No, you want to bend him. Yes, and if you get the shoulder 4 first.
Okay.
Alright, bend the neck first. There you go. Yes. That's better. Keep him up. Right. Yes, up again. Have a little hesitation when you bring him up. Up his neck. Down with your hands, Karen. That's enough.